2027 Chrysler Pacifica. A refresh that barely scratches the surface, the newly unveiled 2027 Chrysler Pacifica is drawing criticism for what many see as a minimal update, particularly inside. While the exterior received some attention, the cabin remains largely unchanged from the model it replaces, raising questions about the automaker's priorities. Limited exterior updates focus on the front. Chrysler recently showcased the 2027 Pacifica, but strategically kept most of the vehicle hidden. Recent real-world photos confirm why. The changes are almost entirely cosmetic and front-end focused. Updates include new daytime running lights, revised headlights, a reshaped grille, and an updated Chrysler wing badge. The rear of the van appears identical to the outgoing model, with no apparent modifications to the taillights, bumper, or tailgate. The result is a facelift that's visible head-on but easily missed in passing. Decade-old interior carries over unchanged. Perhaps the biggest disappointment is the interior. The 2027 Pacifica's cabin is almost indistinguishable from the previous generation, which debuted a decade ago. The dashboard, HVAC controls, rotary gear selector, and even the plastic air vents remain unchanged. The infotainment display has not been updated, and the steering wheel only features a slightly smoothed-out hub with the new badge. This lack of interior innovation suggests that Stellantis prioritized cost-cutting over customer experience. Powertrain remains familiar. Pricing gets a mixed review. Chrysler has not yet confirmed the powertrain for the 2027 Pacifica, but it's expected to retain the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine. However, pricing on some trim levels has been cut. The limited FWD is now $49,705, down $1,025, and the Pinnacle FWD starts at $54,900, $10, a $1,680 reduction. Oddly, the select FWD and AWD trims have received a $100 price increase. This incremental update highlights a broader trend in the automotive industry, where manufacturers often prioritize minor cosmetic changes over substantial improvements to interior comfort, technology, or efficiency. The 2027 Pacifica's minimal updates raise questions about whether consumers will accept superficial changes over meaningful improvements. While the price cuts on certain trims are welcome, the unchanged cabin and outdated features may drive buyers to competing models that offer more innovation.